Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. As you roll in, don't be shy. Hit the like button. Don't be shy. Drop a donation to support the content also. Viewers and subscribers, the content is top-notch content. No fake thing me on when it comes to my channel. So drop in and support the content. One family me say peace and unity me represent. So don't pull up on the channel and think you can disrespect. The hand is always on the trigger, ready to go. Viewers and subscribers, the intro is not done. One Fabian, never two. But wait, when you talk about one Fabian, you have to include one Fabian Electrical Services. And never two. You put the two together, you get one master electrician, one of a kind. Will also put my brains to the test every single time me on the job. Put the three together, you get one electrical boss in the streets who come to represent and put knowledge and awareness that comes with electrical. People, the intro is still running. In life you have to believe in the Almighty God Himself. If you fail once, get back up and keep going again. That's what I have done in my 20 years in this field. People, if you like my content and what I represent, like up the life and support the channel. Can't stop greatness. Only one that can stop it is you, yourself, who don't believe.
fans will love with for a long time.
I know. Yes.
Say no, I want to. We want to find an old spice.
Then sing for me. Ready?
Viewers and subscribers, you had the intro, now come the outro. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. You can also become a member of the channel by hitting the link. Me, I come to represent straight out of the Caribbean, born and raised, nothing fake on this channel. Positive vibes, me say. The beaches is what me like. The great food is what keeps me healthy and looking. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. So I'm going to start it off with just a quick video of pictures on the title here that I have, the scaffolds, sorry. Okay, so basically what this is scaffolds that you assemble, and a lot of times it takes two people to assemble a scaffold. So as you can see, how to assemble scaffolding, a step-by-step guide. Assemble scaffolding might seem complex, but with the right straightforward. Scaffolding is essentially in construction for safety and efficiency. When you know how to assemble, this blog post will guide you through the process in simple terms. We'll cover the necessary 2 steps and safety tips. Again, I'm just pulling this up here. Obviously, I've done it before. So whether you're a beginner or need a refresher, this guide will help you understand the basics. So let's get started on making your scaffolding setup safe and secure. So introduction to scaffolding. Scaffolding is essential for many construction projects. It provides workers with a safe and stable platform to perform their tasks. Understanding scaffolding is crucial for anyone involved in construction or renovation work. Purpose and importance. The primary purpose of scaffolding is to ensure worker safety. It provides secure platform at various heights. This is important for tasks that cannot be done from the ground. Scaffolding also allows workers to transport material easily. This helps in improving overall work uh, efficiency. So then it goes on to say scaffolding is vital for a building and maintenance project. It offers supports for workers, tools, and material. This reduces the risk of accidents. Scaffolding also helps in maintaining the quality of work. It allows workers to reach difficult areas. This ensures that every part of the structure is properly attended to. Safety consideration. Safety should always be the top priority when assembling scaffolding. Follow these guidelines. Inspect all scaffolding parts before use. Ensure the ground is stable and level. Use safety harnesses at all times. Never exceed the weight limit of the scaffolding. Inspect all scaffolding parts before use. Ensure the ground. Okay, I read that. Here's a table of common safety equipment needed: safety harness, hard hat, safety boots, prevent falls, protect the head, protects the feet. Um, Always ensure that the scaffolding is properly secured. This prevents any wobbling or shifting. Regularly check the stairs down. So again, this is just when it's going to be landed, and you're not actually moving the scaffold. So a lot of times you'll see the guys doing the brickwork on the outside. They'll have the scaffold set up. They're going to use this right here, um, so it's secured to the ground. That's what that is. Before starting to assemble scaffolding, it is essential to gather the required tools and materials. Proper preparation ensures a safe and efficient assembly process. Below, you will find a comprehensive list of tools and materials needed for this task. For assembling scaffolding, having the right tools is crucial. Here is a list of essential tools set up used for tightening level ensures the scaffolding is even and stable. Measuring tape, measure distance accurately. Safety harness provides safety while working at heights. Gloves protects hands during assembly. Hard hat protects your head from falling objects. In addition to tools, specific materials are needed for scaffolding assembly. Then it goes on to say scaffolding tubes, basic structural elements, usually made of steel or aluminum. Couplers connect scaffolding tubes together securely. Board planks, those are the surface for workers. Base plates distributes the weight evenly on the ground. Toe boards prevents tools and materials from falling off the scaffold. Having these tools and materials ready will make the assembly process smooth and safe. Always double check your inventory before starting to ensure nothing is missing. Site preparation. Effective site preparation is essential for safe and efficient scaffolding assembly. This phase involves selecting the right location and ensuring the ground is stable. Proper planning prevents accidents and delays. Choosing the location. Begin by choosing a suitable location for your scaffolding. Ensure the area is clear of obstacles. Check for any overhead hazards like power lines or tree branches. The location should also be easily accessible. This makes transporting materials simple. Next, perform a ground inspection. The ground must be firm and level. If the soil is soft or uneven, take steps to stabilize. Use a spirit level to check for evenness. Add a solid base if needed. Then it goes on to say inspection steps. Check for obstacles. Identify hazards. Action required. Remove debris and clear the area. Compact the soil if necessary. Use your spirit level and adjust. Mark and avoid hazardous area. Ensure the ground can support the weight of the scaffolding. Check for underground utilities. Mark their locations to avoid damage. Follow these steps diligently. Safety is the top priority. Base assemble. Assembling Assembling scaffolding can seem like a daunting task, but it all starts with a solid base. The base assembly is the foundation of your scaffold. It ensures stability and access into simple steps. Bless up yourself, Stanley. Again, thank you for checking into the live stream, and also thank you for the continuous support towards the channel. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live. And today I'm simply going over basically, can you install a scaffold on your own? Is it possible? And we're going to get into two videos. You'll see if it is possible. So I'm going to continue reading this here, and after that we will go into a couple videos that I have here. That is it, Stanley. One family. So again, let's go back here. Laying the base plates. The first step is to lay the base plates. These plates distribute the scaffold weight evenly on the ground. Follow these steps. So again, this is if you're doing block work on the outside of the home. You're going to put those plates, but if you actually have to move around, you're going to use the wheels themselves. So it goes on to say, choose a level area. Ensure the ground is firm and level. A flat surface presents tilting. Place the base plates. Position the base plates where the scaffold will stand. Space them evenly to support the frame. Check alignment. Use a spirit level to ensure the plates are perfectly flat. Adjust if needed. Then I'm going to, let's go down here. Properly laid base plates are crucial. They provide a stable foundation for the scaffold frame. Obviously, um, if it's not properly laid out perfectly, the scaffold stand a chance of obviously probably tilting over. Securing the frame. Once the base plates are in place, the next step is to secure the frame. This step ensures the scaffold is vertical frame Connect the vertical frames to the base plates. Ensure they fit snugly. Install the cross braces. Attach cross braces between the vertical frames. These braces add stability. Tighten all connections. Check all bolts and connections. Tighten them to ensure the frame is secure. Securing the frame is essential. It prevents movement and keeps the scaffold steady during use. So there's actually a this all this that I'm reading here is actually a code on it. It's not a actual code rule, but there's actually building codes on this. Building the structure. Assemble scaffolding might seem complex, but it becomes manageable with a step-by-step approach. Building the structure is the core part of scaffolding assembly. This process involves erecting the vertical frames and adding horizontal braces. Doing it right ensures the stability and safety for all users. Start with the base plates. Place them on solid ground to ensure stability. Attach the first. So I think I'm just repeating that there. Um, Assemble scaffolding requires careful steps to ensure safety and stability. One crucial part is the platform installation. This step involves setting up the surface where workers will stand and move. Here is how to do it correctly. Placing the planks, the first step in platform. Um, Bless it yourself, TSC exclusive. Again, thank you for checking into the live stream, and also thank you for the continuous support towards the channel. Okay, so placing the planks. Let's go over this again. The first step in platform installation is placing the planks. Choose planks that are sturdy and free from defects. Again, when they say free from defects, there are some planks that are um, cracked and shouldn't actually be on the job. You stand a risk of falling through the actual plank. Ensure they are evenly spaced and cover the entire length of the scaffold. For added safety, use planks with non-slip surfaces. Securing the platform. After laying the planks, the next step is securing the platform. Use the following methods to ensure the planks. Locking pins. Insert locking pins at both ends of each plank to prevent movement. Then you have the clamps. So the locking pins are basically the pins that you're going to you will put inside of your wheels. You'll lock those in. You're going to lock it into place. Tie the planks together at regular intervals. This keeps them aligned and prevents gaps. A loose plank can cause accidents. And it goes, by following these steps, you can assemble scaffolding that is safe and reliable. Always prioritize safety and make sure everything is properly secured before use. Assemble scaffolding requires strict um, adherence to safety measures. Ensure the safety of workers and bystanders is paramount. Proper installation and use of scaffolding can prevent accidents and injuries. Follow these guidelines to maintain a secure work environment. And then it also says install guardrails. Guardrails are essential for scaffolding safety. They prevent falls from the scaffold. Install guardrails on all open sides and ends. The top rail should be at least 42 inches high. Place the mid-rail half-fill between the top rail and the platform. Ensure rails are strong and firmly attached. Use materials like steel or wood that meet safety standard. Stability is crucial for scaffolding safety. Check the ground before assemble. It should be level and firm. Use base plates or mud sills on soft grounds. Secure scaffolding with braces and ties. Attach scaffolding to a stable structure. Inspect connection regularly. Avoid overloading the scaffold. Distribute weight evenly across the platform. Use adjustable screw jacks to level the scaffold. Follow the manufacturer's guideline for maximum height and load capacity. Final inspection is the final inspection of scaffolding is a crucial step. It ensures the safety and functioning of the structure. This phase involves through checks. Let's focus on two crucial aspects: checking for stability and ensuring compliance. Checking for stability. Stability is key to scaffold safety. Inspect all connections and joints. Ensure they are tight and secure. Loose parts can lead to accident. Check the base plates and mud sills. They should be level and properly supported. Uneven base can cause the scaffold to tip over. Examine the bracing and ties. They provide the necessary support. Make sure they are correctly installed and not damaged. Look for any signs of wear and tear. Replace any damaged parts immediately. Do not compromise on safety. Inspect connections on joints. Check base plates and mud sills. Examine bracing and ties. Look for wear and tear. Ensuring compliance. Compliance with safety standards is mandatory. Verify that the scaffold meets all regulations. This includes load limits and height restrictions. Check the guard rails and toe boards. They should be at the correct height. Proper installation prevents falls. Ensure there is safe access to the scaffold. Ladders and stairways should be secure and in good condition. Review the safety tags and labels. They must be up to date and visible. This information is crucial for site safety. Verify load limits and height restriction. Verify load limits and height restriction. Check guardrails and toe boards. Ensure safe access. Following these steps during the final inspection guarantees a safe work environment. Frequently asked questions: how do you start assembling a scaffold? Assemble scaffolding is easier with the right steps. Start by organizing your materials. So again, okay. So again, I'm going to run a video here, um, and I'm going to run a quick video here. Let me go back up to see if I'm not. So basically, scaffolding assemble, can be very complex. A lot of times you have to have your thinking cap on. Again, you're dealing with heights, and there's obviously some techniques that you can use if you happen to be working away alone. It all depends on the individual. So a lot of times when you start to think about it, it can be done. So I'm going to so again, this will be my second scaffold that I've built. The previous one I built with my helper. Um, so this scaffold, obviously, I had to build on my own. So let's go into the video here. So hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. So again, please don't forget to like up the live. Oh, it's fine. So this is me building the scaffold. Again, like I said, it it can be done. You just have to have your thinking cap on and know what you're doing. Um, Especially when you're going high up in the air. So this scaffold is being built. Reason I have to finish off my pot lights at the back of the home. So I have to assemble this scaffold, and that's what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I take the first part. I lay against the I laid against the actual column, and these this part that I'm installing is what secures the actual scaffold and keeps it firm and strong. So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. And what I'm doing is simply building. So again, my main concern is to just get the scaffold started. Once I can get the scaffold started, put together from the base, from the ground, and it's easier to go up after that. So again, that's what I'm doing right here. So basically all I'm trying to do here is try to get my scaffold started off. So like I said, it's just me alone working away right now there. And um, I need to build my scaffold. So obviously I'm going to have to, think about what I'm going to do to get this scaffold up and running. Um, so again, that's one video there. I'm going to run another video here. Again, there's a couple videos. Let's see if this next one here. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, this is partial installation, and tomorrow I should probably have the rest of the clips, hopefully, and you'll be able to see that the scaffold is now mostly completed. So again, like I said, all I want to do is get the base to start it off. Once I can start off the actual scaffold on the bottom, it's a lot easier to go up. And this is what you would call the plank. Um, so again, I just have to put the plank on, just kind of secure the scaffold itself. And once that's on, I'm good to go. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream.
Don't forget to like up the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
So again, welcome back to the channel. Scaffold. Again, it's just the first day or a couple hours of installing the scaffold, and again, I have more videos, but I didn't get to download them to the studio. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to download the rest of the video. So again, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream, and I'm going to, when it comes to phone, it's nothing hard. It just takes some thinking and following the safety steps to make it a little bit easier.
So hello, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to today's lesson. I'm simply going to be installing my receptacles. So again, welcome back to the channel. I'm simply doing this my receptacles right now. basically what I'm doing is I have a neck wire, so I'm going to be repairing this neck wire with the extension to protect the wires from hitting the box.
Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel.
So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pop lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have 1 floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4 pot lights. We have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here you're going to have LED strip lights at the top, so you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. And you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pop lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have 1 floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4 pot lights. We have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here you're going to have LED strip lights at the top, so you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their drywall. This room here is a washroom, another washroom. So again, washroom, I have my pot lights, I have my fan, I have two pendant lights coming down, I have my GFI, I have my LED mirror, receptacle. In here there's no toilet receptacle because it doesn't call for one. This is some type of apparently new system. It's the first time I've seen it. You have your 2-gang box. This is a 3-gang box, excuse me. As you can see, I have my wires stapled. Here's another receptacle. There's about 6 spotlights in here. One LED strip light circuit is going to be provided inside of the room, along with 2 switches. As you can see, my 2-gang box is always supported to code. So again, as we wind down to the end of the video, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member, and again, I'll catch you guys on the next video.
So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. So again, I'm just going to run a couple more videos here before I log out of the live stream here. So
hello, welcome back to my channel, and I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to the video today. Again, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, for those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And in today's video, what I'm simply doing is I'm taping my white cable that's not identified right now, but I'm simply using that with white tape, which is allowed by code. Also, you will see me have the cables wired up into the lugs, the main disconnect 400 amp disconnect service that I have here that I'm working with, and the cable that I used was 250 kc mil parallel runs. And again, you'll see all my ground bushes and everything is grounding the ground wire off, and it's going back to the main ground on the panel. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between the video. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video, and also as you come in, don't forget to hit the like button. You can also subscribe to the channel and share the video. So in today's video, what I'm doing is I'm grounding off my ground wire onto the ground bushing, ground clamp on the tech cable required by code. It has to be grounded off because of the cable delays. And this cable is aluminum, it's not copper. Aluminum is silver, and you can see that it's a silver ground wire that I have there along with all the other grounds. So please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between. So hello again and welcome back to the end of the video, and I'd like to thank you guys all who has tuned in to today's video. Again, also as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video. Also, you can subscribe to the channel. And again, in this video, what I'm doing is simply prepping for my panel installation with the plywood, sheet of plywood, weather resistant. I'm going to be placing on the back of the in front of the wall that's behind, and this will help with of water and stuff seeping into the panel. So sit back and last 2 minutes of the and I would thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Again, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you.
So hello and welcome back to my channel, and for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. Also make sure that your notification is turned to all, that way you receive all of my notifications, including my videos and my live streams. And again, don't forget to like up the video, please and thank you.
So hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video what we're going to be going over is the steps that I take when it comes to installation and passing my inspection. Very important to remember the code rules that are laid out inside of the electrical code book. Obviously, the code book that I work off of is the Ontario code book, so everyone's going to be different. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also make sure notification is turned to all. You can also like and share the video, and you can also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video.
So again, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, you can subscribe to the channel to stay up to date to the content. And again, what we have here is a 400 amp panel installation. And here we have a 400 amp disconnect required by code because of the length of the run, being the panel located more than 5 feet away from the meter base that's located on the outside of this exact wall. And what I'm doing here right now is I'm simply grounding off my tech cable grounding onto the ground bushing required by code in order to pass inspection to have your power turned on. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys during the video.
Hello and welcome back my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after. So hello and welcome back to the channel. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notification is turned to all. That way you can receive my content. And in today's video what we have is I'm prepping for a service change panel swap out from 100 to 100. And this panel is an old panel that is defected. So again, I will be changing out my panel, and I will be following all ESA electrical safety code. So again, like I said, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video.
So hello, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream, and I'm going to run just a few more videos here. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live stream.
Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video what we have is two sets of videos I've put in here, both being service panels. And again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also like the video, and you can also share the video. Again, this is a 400 amp installation main panel instead of the basement that I'm prepping before it's turned on, and it comes with some contacts instead of it. So as you can see, I'm prepping for my install. I'm going to make sure that my panel is properly secured. I'm going to also make sure that this panel do not come off of the wall. Very important to make sure that the panel is screwed down. Screw down firm enough, that way that if anything happens, this panel do not come off. And that's simply what I'm doing here. Also, you'll see the other videos that I have that I'm going to be changing out the panel. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video to the end, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video.
That's true. Do the job. That's it, though. That's how you install a 400 amp panel.
So hello again and welcome back. And in this video, what we have is a panel swap out from 100 amp to 100 amp. The older panel was defected, so I swapped it out in order to have enough circuits to provide the basement feeds with stove, kitchen countertop, receptacles, fridge, so on, bedroom receptacles, lighting. We have washroom lighting. We also have washer and dryer. And what you can see here is me labeling my wires. So these wires were labeled before the older panel was pulled out. Also, it's very important to remember to label your wires before you remove your older panel. That way you do not have to go back at the end of the job to be troubleshooting your circuits. It does take a lot of time, wasted time, that doesn't need or called for. So what I do when I'm doing a job like this is I normally go in before I have the service shut down. I will mark all my wires, make sure everything is labeled properly. That way, once I start to install my new panel, install my new wires, I would also have my wires marked. That way I'm not running around at the end of the job, troubleshooting, tracing circuits, whole 9 yards. And also, as you can see, I don't cut my wires all at one. I normally cut one by one even though the power is turned off, it's very important to remember to cut your wires one by one. You never know what can happen. It's a practice that I've always maintained throughout my apprenticeship. So I carry it on as a licensed person. It's a good practice to have. That way you know that once you start to cut those wires, you're cutting one by one, and you're going to be safe. Also, what you can see me doing here is I'm putting in my grommets. It's something that's required by code. You cannot put your wires into the panel without any type of connectors not being installed. It's going to be a defect, and the inspector will simply have you place them inside before the inspection is even passed. So these are all things to remember. And again, just sit back, enjoy this last video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Again, I never cut 3 wires at the same time. Always one for one. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. In today's video, I'm just going to be tying in my circuits into the panel. So some of these cables I have to be careful because I'm not going to be tying in everything into the panel. This wire here is basically a 20 amp. It's going to be a 20 amp receptacle. So as you can see, I use my pliers to strip my wire, which is more easier for me. It's just a trick I learned throughout the years. I'm sure every other electrician knows about it also. I'm going to be keeping this here on because it has the marking on it and I don't want to lose it. And once I'm ready to label the panel, I will cut this off. You can see I made my holes so I can come from here and go straight into the panel. It just makes the panel look a little bit neater with my holes instead of me coming down on this plywood and installing my wires. It's this way it looks more neater. As you can see, everything is lined up, comes out of my holes, goes right into the panel. So this here is not marked, so I will have to, actually it is marked, it's way back here. This here, the marking is right here, so I'm going to try to keep the excess that I need so I can label. obviously I don't need all of this wire, so I'm going to be cutting it short. Just what I need for the panel. This is a 20 amp cable, which is going to be landed on this 20 amp breaker, okay? Okay. This wire was before for a heater, floor heater on the main floor, but we don't have it anymore. They're basically using what is called a heated flooring through the tubes. So I no longer require this wire for a heating cable.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into the live stream today, for checking into the live stream and TSC exclusive. So again, thank you live.